TE Connectivity continues to support the growing demands of telecommunication and data networking equipment that require increased speed and greater density with our Impact high-density backplane connectors. With a broad portfolio of high-speed backplane connectors to provide users with the design flexibility needed to help solve specific performance challenges, Impact high-density backplane connectors follow TE's ongoing drive to provide high-performing industry-standard products. With the emergence of faster data rates and decreasing signal rise times that require better performing high-speed connectors, TE's Impact products offer a value-added approach to speed, density, cost, and long-term reliability. Impact connectors are designed to support the system upgrades and requirements of today's data communications market, creating nearly infinite options. Developed for a wide range of applications, including telecommunications infrastructure, data networking, and medical diagnostics, Impact high-density backplane connectors enable upgrades with data rates up to 25 gigabits per second, and by employing differential pair density with up to 80 pairs per linear inch, Impact connectors attain significant space savings.
TE's Impact connectors are available in 2 to 6 pair configurations, and 2 compliant pin design options are offered on both daughter card and backplane connectors, which provides customers with ultimate design flexibility. The Impact connector's mating interface also provides inline, staggered, bifurcated contacts that have 2 points of contact for long-term, reliable performance, and built-in ground-to-signal sequencing. This unique feature reduces the average mating force to each connector, resulting in improved mechanical mating performance of the system. As part of TE's comprehensive portfolio of high-speed backplane connectors, many architectural options are available, including traditional backplane, coplanar, midplane orthogonal, and mezzanine. These options provide significant latitude in optimizing your designs for advanced mechanical and electrical performance. TE's Impact connectors offer many key features and benefits, including the reduction of crosstalk with broad-edge coupled differential pair systems that run higher data rates. In addition, they help save application time by using compliant press-fit tails. And to gain optimal mating performance, Impact connectors use inline staggered, bifurcated contact beams in the daughter card interface. Additional Impact connector features include reduced PCB routing complexity and cost by using a 1.9 by 1.35 millimeter grid on the backplane and daughter card, superior mechanical and electrical performance with 2 compliant pin attach options, and by incorporating guidance into connector modules with polarized housings, Impact connectors achieve greater mechanical reliability.
Delivering a value-added approach to speed, density, cost, and long-term reliability, TE's Impact high-density backplane connectors address current trends for telecommunication and data networking solutions. Cost-efficient, highly configurable, long-term reliability. Impact high-density backplane connectors from TE Connectivity. Want to learn more? Contact your TE representative or distributor today. TE Connectivity. Every connection counts.